You ever scroll through the comments under financial videos and think, that's a good question. Why did nobody answer that? Let's change that today because I saw some real people asking honest questions, and they're the same ones I used to ask, especially when I was 70 in debt and just trying to figure out how to survive, let alone invest. So, I'm going to give you some answers from someone who found a way out without stocks, loans, or waiting on retirement money that never came. Hi, I'm Holly. I'm a mom, grandmother, and someone who couldn't retire at the age of 70. And today, I run a full profit digital business from home in just 2 hours a day. Not because I'm tech savvy or had money saved, but because I found something real that answered my questions when no one else would. Here's question number 1. If I'm living paycheck to paycheck, where am I supposed to get the money to invest? That's a really good question. This is the most honest comment I've seen and the most misunderstood. Most people think investing means throwing money into a stock or crypto account and hoping it grows. But real investing starts with something you can control. For me, that meant learning a digital income skill, one that paid me back the same week I started. No inventory, no ads, and no cold calls bugging friends and family, none. If you've got a phone and 2 hours a day, there's a way to stop just thriving and start stacking income. That's how I made my first $100 day and then just kept going. Question number 2. Everybody talks about ETFs, dividends, and stocks. But isn't that risky right now? Yes. Absolutely, especially if you're nearing retirement or already behind. Here's the truth. If you're still trying to catch up and you're relying on markets that swing daily, that's not investing. That's gambling your timeline. What worked for me? A business model that doesn't depend on Wall Street. It's low risk and a high return because you control how you show up and you keep 100% of the profit every time. And you can start it today without needing a portfolio. Question number 3. If I have land or a home, should I take out a loan just to get ahead? That one hit me because I've been there, real estate, 44 years. I almost sold off the last thing I owned just to stay afloat. But here's the thing. You don't have to risk what you already have. What you do need is a blueprint that shows you how to generate income without debt. That's what I found. And it didn't just help me, it helped others and people in my age bracket, my group, people who'd been burned, people who were ready to just quit. So, you don't need more opinions. You need real, honest answers. You don't need a financial degree. You need a system that works for you. And you don't need to wait for the perfect time because that time already passed by. The right move is the one that you make today. If you've got questions no one else is answering, drop info in the comments and I'll show you what I found. And it really works. Check it out. This might be the message you've been waiting for.